Slightly sweet and perfectly balanced with a delicate tinge of ginger, this carrot juice recipe is the perfect way to give yourself a quick antioxidant boost minus the price tag. It's made with 5 ingredients and only 2 steps, making it a super easy and healthy homemade juice recipe. Hi folks, Shahzadi here, your friendly neighborhood dietitian. Welcome back to my channel Desi, Licious Den Dietitian on Demand, where I show busy health seekers like yourself how to eat for health, nourish mindfully and thrive. This is your go-to source for health optimizing actionables and lip smacking, easy and healthy recipes with a cultured twist. Put on those stretchy pants, settle in, and if you're a newbie, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's make this juice recipe. Wash all the vegetables and fruits. I'd recommend using a brush to ensure all the ingredients are thoroughly clean. Now prep the fruits and veggies as per your juice's instructions and juice away. It's that simple. Many of you have asked me about the health benefits of carrot juice. I will say that carrots are a especially great source of beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. They're also a good source of fiber, vitamin K1, potassium and antioxidants. In fact, the antioxidants in carrots have been associated with reducing the risk of some types of cancers. Now let's not forget that vitamin A is also an important immune supporting nutrient, and I've spoken about immunity and nutrition in detail in a previous video. Find the link in the description box. If you want to enjoy homemade juices and are concerned about blood sugar levels going haywire, here are some tips. Now just remember, as a general rule of thumb, if you have diabetes, it's best to enjoy fiber-rich, wholesome fruits and vegetables more often. Focus more on vegetables than fruits when making juices. Generally, I've found that 80% of vegetables and 20% fruits works quite well. Now watch your portion size, start with a small serving and see how it affects your sugar control. Work with your diabetes educator to come up with a plan that works for you. Accompany your juice with a protein and or fat source. Besides adding bulk, this will help to slow the absorption of the natural sugar in your juice and could help to reduce the spike in blood sugars. Keep well hydrated. If you're not drinking enough water during the day, your blood sugars will spike more because the sugar will concentrate your blood. Get moving. Physical activity will help to keep blood sugars in check by clearing glucose, sugar, from your blood and delivering it to your exercising muscles to use up as fuel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment. I'd love to know what nutrition and diet related topics you want me to dive into next, or what recipes you want me to cook up in the Desi Licious kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.